Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Nur Salsabila Putri. I am from psychology student in Faculty Psychology, University of Muhammadiyah Banjarmasin. My ID student is 24732011100 and 6. Today, I will give a presentation about my journal review. Today, I would like to present the phenomenon of self-diagnosis of mental health in the era mental health literacy. First, we will cover about the abstract. Mental health literacy can lead to self-diagnosis, particularly in the current era where information about mental health is widely accessible on the internet. This study examined of self-diagnosis and mental health literacy using systematic literature review. It found a correlation between the potential impact of self-diagnosis. Phenomenon of self-diagnosis is rising issue the mental health literacy era. As easy access to information available on the internet and mass media. Although this has positive impact as increasing understanding of mental health issue, it also has negative consequences. Etymologically, the term self-diagnosis comes from English, where self means oneself and diagnose means identification. Together, it refers to defining oneself, reflecting an individual's belief in their own assessment. Essentially, mental health literacy can increase self-awareness about mental health and reduce self-diagnosis. Nevertheless, this can only be actualized if individuals are educated and wise in understanding and filtering credible mental health information. Unfounded self-diagnosis without professional assistance can lead to serious mental health problems if left unaddressed. Next slide. This article employs a literature review method with relevant keywords related to mental health and mental health literacy. The data used in this field is specifically from 2017 until 2023 with systematical complete review. The result from journal about self-diagnosis. Ahmed and Stephen 2017 state that self-diagnosis is the behavior of an individual identifying themselves as having a disease or disorder based on the symptoms they experience. Self-diagnosis without professional assistance can lead to mental health disorder due to the tendency of bias in self-assessment. Self-diagnosis can affect a person's perspective or judgment about themselves. If these components are negative, they can have serious consequences for mental health. A person's perception influences their action, and those actions in turn affect their behavior. Next statement about internet influence. Excessive online searching for medical information, especially in severe cases, is known as cyberchondria. Cyberchondria refers to a compulsive and repetitive pattern of health-related internet search that are difficult to control. Primarily aimed at seeking reassurance and early assistance through online search, cyberchondria carries a negative connotation if not accompanied by adequate mental health literacy and prudent use. Digital literacy disseminated through social media often originates from professionals and psychologists, scientists, while the consumption of this digital literacy by the general public is not always controlled. This presents a challenge in effectively and accurately spread mental health literacy. Next statement about reason for self-diagnosis. Self-diagnosis is often driven by individuals' curiosity about their condition, particularly when they experience symptoms similar to those described in mental health literacy information. This intrinsic drive or intrinsic motivation is defined as the internal urge to engage in activity because it provides personal satisfaction or a form of self-reward. Next slide is statement about impact of self-diagnosis. The adverse impact of self-diagnosis is primarily related to the onset of anxiety, which is associated with schematic thinking patterns in individuals to self-diagnose. This factor is a complex contributor to the tendency to self-diagnose, as well as reinforcing anxiety in self-diagnosed individuals, leading to a cycle of negative thoughts and behaviors. Al-Fayed, 2023. Next slide about the relationship between mental health literacy and self-diagnosis. Mental health literacy involves knowledge and awareness to recognize mental health issues and seek professional help, rather than self-diagnosis without guidance. Furthermore, low literacy may also stem from alternative sources of knowledge, such as cultural belief and personal conviction, which are not always evidence-based. From Ganasan et al., 2008. Next slide is the last result about effort to improve mental health literacy. To effectively combat the phenomenon of self-diagnosis, individuals must become aware of mental health issues and enhance their mental health literacy. According to Kelly et al., 2017, the capacity to improve mental health literacy can be achieved through 1. Community-wide intervention, 2. Youth-focused community intervention, and 3. School-based intervention, and the last point, 4. Individual training programs. Interventions at the community level are expected to support the enhancement of mental health literacy, which is closely linked to the phenomenon of self-diagnosis. Through training programs and activity within school environments, individuals are anticipated to develop a more accurate understanding of mental health literacy without resorting to self-diagnosis. So, conclusion the journal review. Self-diagnosis is a phenomenon driven by low level of mental health literacy, which often results in misperception, while self-diagnosis can have negative consequences, such as incorrect diagnosis, leading to inappropriate behavior. But it also has positive effects, include enhancing academic literacy and the potential for better understanding of information. An external factor influencing self-diagnosis is the ease of access to information, particularly through the internet and social media. Self-diagnosis has a significant correlation with the level of mental health literacy. However, this practice can only be carried out wisely if supported by adequate understanding. This indicates that mental health literacy alone is insufficient to eliminate the behavior of self-diagnosis. Therefore, effective and prudent interventions are necessary to improve mental health literacy. These should include recommendations within literacy content to discourage self-diagnosis and guide individuals to critically evaluate information and seek consultation with mental health professionals. Does anyone have any questions or comments? Please feel free to share your thoughts on this topic. And thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.